wanted to do today is show you guys something that I did. So I think I was saying, yeah, I get like so like into things with my kids, and my kids and I learned Minecraft, and so it's like I want to like use Minecraft for educational purposes. Thank you guys, thank you Reload. And so I wanted to use Minecraft in my job, which is so funny because like I actually got to like, it's, you think about my job and I got paid to actually put together this lesson plan that I'm going to show you, which is totally crazy. Thank you. But you guys don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. And so, which is kind of cool. Like I love my job and the fact that, and then like, you guys are awesome. Jane, thank you. Now, and stop at that, please. Okay. So like I got to do that for my job, which is really, really cool, right? Because, and then our communications and promotions department, like we had press releases that went out, like, look what she did, like, doing all this cool stuff in Minecraft. So let's see if I can actually figure out how to, I'm probably going to have to put that over there, aren't I? Let's see, can you guys see that on your screen? Okay, I got to type in my username and password. Don't look at that. Oh, thank you for the sub. It's so sweet. Guys, yeah, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Yeah, you guys are you're way too nice. Guys, guys, I don't know what to say. You don't have to do that. You're gonna make me cry. And I'm trying to type in my password and I can't remember my password. Great. Wait. Wait. Shoot. Yes, good. Okay. So we are gonna go and do some Minecraft. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. All right, who subbed? We had Reload with the subs. God, yeah, just you're getting fine. Yeah, like thank you. All right, let's learn some Minecraft. Okay, I'm like pressing on the wrong thing on the screen. Okay, I'm pressing on it there, and I get to press it here. Okay, so we're gonna go. This is Oh well. Thank you, so sweet. I know, so sweet lives in the land down under, so yeah, I would imagine it's like really super late there, but thank you so much for stopping by. I'll have to I know, we played Fortnite a long time ago. We have to do that again. But yeah, so anyways, have a good night. So sweet. Thank you. So we are in Minecraft Education. So this is like similar to the Minecraft version, but there's a whole educational component to it, right? So you could go in here, right? And so we're in the educational version, and there's a whole library. And so like you could go in here and there's educational resources. I'm going to click on this one here that says lessons. I know my picture is really high. So if we go into lessons, you can't see. I'm going to click on this one. Mine are under science. So I think I'm in biology. You can see mine. No, it's not that one. No, it's not. Oh, build with. No, it's not that one. It could be I might have already downloaded it. Oh, this is me. Okay, now you guys know my name. Great. Hey, I'm Delicious! So anyway, so this is my lesson. And what we're going to do is we are going to build a pollinator garden, right? And I'll take you through, like, the description is, like, we explore this world. So I built this Minecraft world. in MC Edit. I don't know if anybody has ever tried to build a Minecraft world, but you can kind of like take a seed and you can kind of reconstruct it and build things all over it. And so the goal of this plan was to like learn about, I know I got my face there, it's covering everything. To learn about the importance of pollinators, how to attract pollinators, and ways of creating pollinator gardens. And so there's all of these little teacher resources that come along with it. And I have a lesson plan. I'm curious if it actually opens up the lesson plan. No, I'm gonna have to, hold on. I'm gonna have to see if I get that to, I'm gonna make that a window. Give me a second. I can add a browser source. And thank you for the hype train success. Really, you guys did not have to do that. Oh shoot, how do I, give me a second. Alright, I'm hoping this works. Oh no, that's a browser. Well, I don't know, we'll see if that works. Does that work? Does that show? Okay, that's showing, okay. Alright, so you should be able to see that, kind of. Wait, it's showing some Dropbox thing. How do I get rid of that Dropbox thing? Shoot. I don't see that on my screen. Why is that? Why is it that I don't see that on my screen, but you see that on your screen? That's so weird. Why? Why would it do that? That's so craziness. Crazy, crazy. We could try it again. I don't know. Can I refresh it somehow? What the heck? How? That's crappy. All right, let me see if I can just download it maybe or something. It's like my own file. Like how? I'll download. I'll direct download it. Oh, there we go. Maybe that will. Did that get rid of it? No, it did not get rid of that. Dang. Oh, that's a bummer if I can't show you guys that. Can you not? You actually can't see it? All right, let me get rid of that then. That's not working. So there's a whole, and it's okay. There's a whole lesson that shows up with it. Window cap. Oh, maybe I could do window capture. Oh, that's what I want to do, right? Window capture. Pollinator garden. There it is. I got it. Look at me. All right. I think you guys can actually see that now, correct? Put that there. All right. So let me show you this part of the lesson plan. I'm sorry, guys. Thank you for sticking with my things. Okay, so I have a whole lesson plan that I put together for this. And so it's really neat because like the goal is like a classroom, a teacher can, and I'm sorry, I'm not really looking at my chat and I haven't seen much chat. I've probably bored you guys, just like I bore my students in class, right? I'm boring all of you guys. And so there's a whole lesson plan that goes along with this. And then the teachers have to like talk about pollinators and things. And then, and I have this whole little lesson that goes along with it. I'll show you different parts of it. So one of the pieces is like the students have to take this plot of land, this actual grid, and they have to plot out their own pollinator gardens. And this is an example of what that would look like, right? So using your common Minecraft resources, water, soil, brick, stone, the students would just kind of show a different layout of what they want to build. So they would outline kind of ahead of a time, like what kind of resources they want in their gardens. And so there's a little template that we give them that they can kind of fill it out on their own. And then what I did was for each resource that there is in Minecraft, I have these little color charts. Like I personally, when I give these away to the public a lot, I laminate them and make them all pretty. But it shows like the different flowers that you can find in Minecraft. And that scared me. Oh, we got another raid. That was Chilson. Thank you so much for the raid. I don't know if you raiders want to be here, but thank you so much. I'm just doing like an educational thing, so there's not a lot of fun in this room today, but thank you guys for coming here. I appreciate that so much. You came to learn. Okay, so I'm talking about pollinators because it's one of the things I do, and I'm showing how one of the ways I like to, education is funication. One of the things I like to do with the public is find fun, creative ways to educate people about pollinators. So this is more for like the public, and teachers can take this and use it in their classroom. And we've gotten like so many people around. It's like just crazy for me to think about people around the country like using this as a resource in their classrooms. So we get a lot of that. So for each like flower and resource that I think it's important in Minecraft, I talk about like how it's useful for attracting pollinators, the type of pollinators. So for example, here we have like the dandelions, those little yellow flowers in Minecraft. You know, many bees and other insect pollinators, including honeybees and bumblebees, are attracted to them. Great source of nectar and pollen. Yeah, you know, we talked like dandelions are just great. I know, welcome raiders. Thank you so much, guys. Some teaching about pollinators and Minecraft and using Minecraft, right? Minecraft education. So pretty much I did this for each flower. Generally, most flowers that are most attractive to pollinators are yellows. Like bees in general, they don't see the color red. So most things like red flowers, you don't really actually see a lot of pollinators attracted to that color just because they don't really see that color as well. But you know, they can find these kind of plants for odors. But a lot of the things that you find that are attractive to pollinators are gonna be like a lot of yellow colors. One of the other things we do, we talk about pollinator garden, is like the fact that there's edible gardening as well. So like a lot of people like building pollinator gardens. These are a huge thing. Super. Oh, hey, Cooter. I love you, Cooter. And like it's just so cool that you know, people want to attract pollinators to their garden. And yeah, this is like you could actually use like edible gardening. So squashes and pumpkins, watermelons, like not only will they attract pollinators, but you get a great amount of food from them as well. So yeah, so these are all of the resources and flowers and stuff in Minecraft. And then I talk about in this as well, who redeems Sing Me a Lullaby? Shoot. Yeah, it's thank you for the follow. Damn, so I gotta sing a lullaby too. You guys suck. It's okay, so I have this book, Lullabies. I will do that because you asked me to and you redeemed. So I of course I'm like so self-conscious like doing that, but hey. So I just randomly opened this book, Lullabies, and I picked one. So I'll sing it to you, okay? Your love I once surrendered has never left my mind. My heart is just as tender as the day I called you mine. All right, there you go. That's my steps. Okay, so let's go back to the pollinator gardening. So we have like, and then there's all these other resources that are really good for pollinators, right? So like if you ever want to build a pollinator garden, you can put things like wood in. We actually do this a lot with the public. We buy all these boxes and like these little bamboo things and help them build like these really cool little bee hotels and stuff. We do that a lot with kids. It's a lot of fun to do that. Different types of stone and resources, water, different plants. So this is my lesson plan. And then I talk about different kinds of pollinators in that lesson plan. So the teachers actually get that as a resource. So I'm going to close that part and get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. And then let's go into the actual world. So this is my world. I built my world, and I love this. Like, I think I did another one of these a time because I do mosquito stuff too. So I have a whole one on, like, it's kind of like a public health, One Health, like eliminating infectious disease, vector-borne diseases in Minecraft. I love these. And I have another one, an agritourism one, like, but I could just, yeah, these are they're so much fun to build and things. Yeah, this is my laptop. Can you see it? Yeah, it's cool. Thank you. It's like, and now I have my own, like, thank you for the follow, Nerdy Penguin streams. Yeah, like, this is my laptop. Let me show you. Like, oh, no, I probably can't do that. Actually, I'm so corded in, I can't show you my laptop, but it's so pretty. Yeah, and it's nice because I'm in a gaming room and I have pretty pink lights and my pretty pink desk and everything is like, yeah, I love that. No, I'm not amazing. Don't say that. Yeah, I'm just, yeah. We got another raid. Oh my gosh. Guys, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. You're all so awesome and amazing. Yeah. You guys are the good streamers. You shouldn't be in here. Like, I'm just like doing nerdy stuff in here. So anyways, cool. Oh, you were playing with No Chill Boom. Yeah. How are the games? Oh man, you're gonna make me want to eat Doritos, Tribe. So this is the world I built for the pollinator gardening. And so, like, there's like lots of little things you can go up to this guy, Bob the Bee Guy. You know, welcome to the garden. Please start by following the path and learning about pollinator gardening. When you are ready, tour the museum and collect items for your garden. When you're finished inside, you can head outside to create your own garden. Also, feel free to watch this cool video from the History Channel. I'm not going to make you watch the video, but like if they click on that link, then there's videos and stuff embedded into that as well. And so the students and teachers, so in actually the Cooter thing, you have an awesome, oh, amazing nerd. Thank you, Cooter. Yeah, so the cool thing about in Minecraft education is it's like actually led by the teacher and the students at the same time. So like the teacher has their own window and they can see where like the students are on the map. Is really neat. And so there's all these kind of little educational stuff, and you can open the box and maybe let's grab some gold ore. And then we'll walk up the path, and it's like I haven't used a keyboard mouse in Minecraft in a very long time, so it feels very awkward to me. Oh, thanks for coming, Tech. I appreciate that you were here. And like these little questions, where do pollinators like to live? Underground, in boxes, in bee hotels, curled up in leaves, holes in the wood, in sand, mud structures, or all of the above? The answer is all of the above. So yeah, like, and there's just little things, you know, and it gives you the answer to that question. You know, and then I have like little signs and examples. Like, so this is like, actually had my friend make a custom block for me. So this would look like a bee hotel, because you can actually it's actually really easy to make your own like Minecraft wraps and things. A Minecraft wrap, that's not like the right word, but like, and then I got obsessed with that too, because like you can make all of your custom blocks and stuff, and it's a lot of fun to do that. So we made these custom blocks to make them kind of look like bee hotels. How do you gain? This is Minecraft Education. And Minecraft has an educational edition. It's actually $5 per license for a school. So yeah, like there are, like I've talked to a lot of people that like just really like loved some of these lessons that, you know, they said they just want to like donate these to schools, like just the $5 licenses to schools, just because they're such a great resources. So like I am a very much of an out of the box teacher, and so I really like kind of like, I especially like the way you teach kids now is like, you have to it has to be much more interactive, and it's not necessarily fun, but like you have to kind of engage them and bring them into the learning process, right? Yeah, like, and so that's and it's fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's also fun. So you go on the path, and you just see different kinds of pollinator gardens, different colors. You go through boxes, and so as you kind of walk through, you can kind of add things to your inventory. This is can you guess what happens if you sprinkle bone meal on melon seeds? Let's try it, right? Let's try it. So let's get our bone meal, right? Oh, and melon seeds. Oh, and I have to do that. That's right. Actually, I have to do that. And I'm taking all the resources, of course. Let's see. Well, yeah. I think I'm supposed to actually... oops. Well, yeah. Yes, I have to... it's my inventory button. Oh, it's not putting it in my inventory, is it? Oh, I messed that up. But we can hoe it. And there's my bone meal. We could just show you. What the cool thing about bone meal I really like is, like, if you sprinkle bone meal on things, it helps it grow, right? So it's kind of like showing fertilizer and things. And so this is actually an edible pollinator garden, right? So bees will actually, pollinators will still be attracted to things like flowers and potatoes and carrots. Like carrots actually flower and have things that will attract pollinators. And so the students can keep learning, coming up, learn about water, the importance of water, because all animals need water to survive. Oh, your 7-year-old reads Minecraft books on like how to survive, create. Yeah, if he could use Minecraft for school, I think he'd sprout wings of pure joy and energy. Yeah, and it's like when I first started learning Minecraft with my kids, like we were doing all kinds of stuff. My kids were a lot younger at the time when we did it, and like we were doing like little Big Bad Wolf. No, not Big Bad Wolf. Yeah, the Three Little Pigs challenges. So, and actually, if you guys come to my stream on Saturday, my family time stream, my kids are gonna we're gonna do a Minecraft challenge. So we are gonna try to build a structure in Minecraft, hide diamonds, and then we have to like tear down and find each other's diamonds. So we're gonna actually have that. But like we had the Three Little Pigs challenge, like, so I would do fun stuff like that. And like I could actually teach my kids so much using Minecraft. I mean, it's just like amazing how much we learn in Minecraft. It's crazy. So we have a little museum. So this is a museum, and we can kind of come into this little museum, and you can ask questions, right? So there's little NPCs that you can talk to and go in, and you can get your resources. And that's why, because I wasn't actually putting it down in my active inventory. That's why. But you can add different things into your inventory. And then like in the museum, you can learn about stuff, right? So for bees, select yellow, purple, blue, white flowers. For butterflies, select red and purple flowers. For beetles, select white and green flowers. So most people don't. Yeah, Minecraft sounds lit. My youngest was crying this morning, I'm not going to lie, because he is afraid that he's not going to be good enough at building a structure compared to my oldest and I. I got this problem where I cannot stop telling airport jokes. My doctor says it's terminal. I really hope this joke takes off and that it doesn't fly over your head. Otherwise, it would just be plain awful. Thank you for the joke. I appreciate that. I have joke commands too in my stream too. There's always kind of things. So yeah, and we can go through the museum, and then and we can just learn about. Oh, and I hid like a little bathroom in here too. I made this little bathroom. Come in and use the bathroom if you need to, or washroom. Yeah. There is an upstairs. It's a little hard to get to. I didn't build the museum. I took a already pre-built museum, and I kind of emptied it out and put my own stuff in it. So building a lot of the 3D structures I think is really, really hard. My mosquito one, I actually have like a place you teleport to, and there's like a big mosquito, which is really cool. Also, you can hear my voice in the mosquito one, because like I have part of it is you walk up to the NPCs and they tell you stuff about like the symptoms of disease that people were experiencing. So yeah, so then there's, again, you just kind of walk through the museum and you can just learn about different things that attract pollinators. Again, there's our special block that we made for our bee hotels. So that's the gold ore block, gold ore block. So yeah, and then they can just do that, and so that's it. And then they walk outside. It says, after you have looked at everything in the museum, you may go this way to build your garden. And then we can kind of come outside. And there's like, I always get nervous like with these kind of things that nobody's going to have enough resources. So I tend to throw a lot of resources everywhere. Oh, thank you for the follow, Leah Zoe. I appreciate that. And then, yeah, we take a red carpet out. And for those of you that were here in the beginning, I had these, like as part of the paper packet of the lesson plan, like they have like this little plot of land that they are to outline. So it's like gridded out, and then they are actually supposed to plan out the garden before they actually go into the museum and do a lot of this. So it's kind of like you're doing things simultaneously, and they're done in teams. So like the teacher is supposed to take everybody and divide them into 4 different teams, and then those students will use that plot of land to build their pollinator gardens. So yeah, so it's like kind of a big thing, like where they can just kind of come out here, and then taking all their resources. And so yeah, here's my bee hotel blocks. I know I didn't bring a lot of stuff out with me here, but like, so here is my pollinator hotel that I'm just putting out here in the middle of my field. But if you guys have ever played Minecraft before, like you can. Oops, sorry. And I have it in creative mode. And when I play with my kids tomorrow, Saturday, we'll be in creative mode. But hey, Poop Nasty. Hey, MRO. Gosh, I keep seeing you guys everywhere this morning. So yeah, so then it's cool. So you can just kind of put your things. Creative, I find, is a lot harder to use, because like it's so sensitive. Like I like it better when it takes you a while to break a block, but it's still cool. And like I found this awesome seed. So like in all 3 of my Minecraft lessons that I built, like I use the same seed all the time. It's such an awesome seed. I do like, the one thing I do like about creative is that you can actually fly. But yeah, so this is it. So you can kind of see, like this is what I built. So I took the seed is really all I did. You wish your teachers in school. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Kids are lucky nowadays. I know, for sure. I know, like kids, but that's the thing, is like my kids are in school and they don't. Hey, BK Gaming, thanks for stopping by. I know my kids, like they don't do this stuff in school, that's for sure. Like I have, and I'm very into this idea of like gamifying education. And so like I have like colleagues that one in our education department in our university, and another one that does virtual reality programming, computer programming. So the 3 of us partnered on like this multi-million-dollar grant we wanted to. Oh, thanks for the host, BK Gaming. You guys are so awesome. I don't even know if I've ever had this many viewers before. I don't know how many I have. It's like I have this. I'm not really looking at my chat, but I see like a lot of people going on. So much love. Thank thank you for the host, Cooter. But my kids don't do awesome stuff like this. But anyway, so like I really want to, like I have these colleagues and we're always trying to get these, we're always applying for grants to try to do more like using STEM and like virtual reality in the STEM fields. Like we really wanted to, we wrote this grant to try to find a way to improve diversity in the STEM fields and promote more women and diversity in the STEM fields. I think most people don't realize that it is, well, anyways, it's not always easy. Oh, thanks, Scooter. So I guess I have to stay on longer, you know, like sometimes I just do like these quick streams, but thank you, Cooter. Like, oh my God, yeah, you don't have to do that. Like, you guys are awesome. Thank you. So yeah, but like I love this idea of gamifying education and like finding different fun ways to educate the public and kids. Sorry, yeah, because like I don't know. You think about I don't know. Like I personally don't know if I can. No pressure at all. I know you're making me nervous. Like at least yeah. I did this one stream, like, what was it, last week or 2 weeks ago, where I played the guitar, but I actually, like, snuck into the stream to play the guitar because I didn't really want to play it in front of all these people, so I didn't think anybody was going to show, and then all these people showed. So thankfully you guys aren't here for that one because, like, that one was really hard to do. Shots, yeah. I can drink some water. I got bubbly water. So yeah, so thank you guys for that. So yeah, so I can kind of go through, you know, or I can show you, you know what, since you guys, so many of you guys are here, I can show you, like, I can see if I can find my other lesson. Let me do that. Let's go and see if we can find my other, now you guys all know my name. So let's see. Yeah, so